Hey YouTube, I've been doing some work in my office setting up my 3D printer station here, so I'd give you guys a quick run through. Got a few Bambu printers. Did a couple AMS risers here. This one's got a side spool, it's really nice. This is the A1. I've got it set up for a farm loop that I'm working on through one of my school SKOOL school groups that I subscribe to. So this will 3D print an item and push it off the plate. That's why it's at this 20-degree angle. And then up here is the Python AMS. So you basically tear apart a Bambu AMS, take all the electronics out, and you 3D print some parts here, put all the electronics from the Bambu AMS in, and it connects to the machine just like normal, but it's got the capabilities of printing with some larger, different size spools. And then another AMS riser here, and then this one's got a little drawer that collects all the stuff that falls out. Same thing over here. These two printers don't have the drawer because they just basically drop their waste out the back and it falls down into these boxes here on the ground. And then I've got my little ship station, little photo booth, a little bit of a display station right here. Just put some of the cooler stuff that I've printed that I really like to look at. And this is all shipping stuff right here, so I can just get everything all done. Got some shipping boxes down here. And then this is just some inventory overflow for the gift shop. Just different items that we keep printed, keep stocked in here. And then when they get low in the gift shop, we run out here and stock them up. And this will be, I'm printing a multi-grid. And this will be the wall. This is going to be in the gift shop, so I'm doing it in all different colors, different shades of brown. It's going to be out in the gift shop. And we need about a 10 by roughly 8-foot wall of this stuff. So it's going to be 10 feet long, about 8 feet high. And then just different various bins, different prints. Plus we have a bunch of plushies and stuff like that, and sweatshirts and t-shirts that will hang off there. We'll have different hats and things like that displayed also. So these were just some of the cooler prints. Like I said, I like to keep them out here so I can check them out. This rattlesnake from Matt Meyer Makes was super awesome. This was done in Overture, Gradient PLA, and it's like a sedimentary rock. And then this is from Toons Factory. So we own a reindeer farm, so it's fitting to print reindeer. This is from Fulcrum Studios, and again, little reindeer, little red-nosed reindeer. It's again Toons Factory with a cool articulating lizard. Really like that one. I did it in super small also. This guy's about 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches long with the tail. And then some more Toons Factory with the dogs. Some more Fulcrum Studio, little pig. Some farm animals that we're doing for a little farm display that the kids can play with while they're here. So pretty cool stuff. Little authorization thing that I printed. This was from STL Flicks, really cool print. I subscribed to them for a little while, but there was not a lot of interest in getting these really bigger prints paid for, so I had to cut that one loose. Alright, well that's my little update. Thanks for checking it out. Oh, I forgot to show off my little filament stand right here.